Hello! Today we are doing a peak on Broughton Moor Peak, which has got an elevation gain of 1,338 feet, because we are training for when we do our wild camping course, and we need to be up in the, is it the Lake District or Peak District? Peak District.
Peak District, yeah.
Yeah. So just to make sure that we're fit enough for that. So it'll be Cole's second peak and my fifth or
going through her mind palace.
Peak. Yeah, so that's gonna take a while.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So let's talk about layering. Since we're climbing, we've got to start cold. That's why I didn't have you put on your other jackets.
Yeah.
Because as we start climbing, we're going to start sweating. And sweat management is something we need to be careful about, because once you stop climbing but you're wet, what's going to happen?
Sweat.
You're going to get cold, yeah. So once we stop, that's when we put our puffers on so that we don't get cold. Spooky woods.
What a great place to be murdered. Hi.
Not a bad view. How is your hike going so far?
It is going good. It's been pretty easy so far. I think we found a bit of a climb left to do, but we're already pretty high up, so I'm a bit optimistic. I'm sure that'll age well.
Scramble up to the top. You excited about the scramble up to the top?
Certainly interesting.
What do you mean?
Mountain hikes kind of rock.
We have got 2 miles to go. That's where we're going next.
Pretty big.
Summit push. 391 feet up there, and then it was straight down, and then we're ready to go back home then. 1.4 miles to go. Woohoo! You got this. You ready? Nearly there. Cringle Moor. Cody's done. He's had enough.
First time I've actually seen him tired.
Baby, we're home. We gotta go. Are you gonna get up?
I think we've found the limit.
Come
7
on.
miles.
Up you get.